country, there's a stranger you know the living and blackbird is singing the southern breeze, strange to hail from the far tree. Past the rustling of the garden south, the bulging eyes and the twisted mouth, scent of magnolia, sweet and fresh, and the summer of my new fresh. For the crow to pluck, for the rain to gather, for the wind to start, for the sun to rise, for the tree to dry.